Commuters increased in the streets on the third day of a strict lockdown. Law enforcement agencies will take a tight curb from tomorrow. A total of 4.5 million Moderna and the Sinopharm vaccine arrived today in Dhaka from US and China. Until confirmed vaccination, government cannot put lives of students at risk, said the Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina. And 5 people were killed and 6 others injured in a hidden collision between an ambulance and a pickup van in Tangal today. Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Mytv News. I'm Fawzia Roshan with you in the newsroom. Today we are watching the headlines and I'm going to the details. A week-long hard lockdown to tackle the spread of COVID-19 continues for the third consecutive day across the country as police, army, BGB and RAB personnel have been working to enforce the tight curb. The law enforcement agencies are seen patrolling different city roads since Saturday morning, while checkpoints also have been set up at several places in Dhaka. RAB has said that it will carry out a strict operation in the neighborhood to implement the government-announced strict lockdown to curb the coronavirus outbreak. Commander Dr. Al-Moin, director of the RAB's legal and media wing, told reporters at Russell Square. He said special operations are conducted in the neighborhood from today. Commander Dr. Al-Moin said RAB has so far operated more than 400 mobile courts across the country and imposed fines of more than Taka 4 lakh to enforce the ban. Bangladesh get Moderna COVID-19 vaccine from United States as a gift under the COVAX framework, while a Chinese Sinopharm vaccine, those Dhaka purchased from Beijing, also arrived at Dhaka. Foreign Minister Dr. A.K. Abdul Momen at Health and the Family Welfare Minister Zahid Malik were present at Hazrat Shah Jalan International Airport to receive the jabs. The second consignment of 1.2 million doses of Moderna vaccines and another shipment of a Sinopharm inoculation are scheduled to reach Dhaka this morning. Earlier, Bangladesh received 1.1 million doses of Sinopharm vaccine from China as gift in 2 occasions in May and June last. Admitting the losses Bangladesh's education sector has suffered for the prolonged closure of educational institutions, Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina on Saturday said the government cannot put the lives of students at stake, knowing yet clearly that COVID-19 will infect them as well. The Prime Minister said this while delivering her winding up speech at the budget session in Parliament as a number of opposition MPs, including Deputy Leader of the Opposition GM Kadir, criticized the government for keeping educational institutions shut for an indefinite period. Sheikh Hasina, also the leader of the House, said the government will open the educational institutions after vaccinating students. She mentioned that the parents of students are also not interested in sending their children to educational institutions. Hasina said the government has already vaccinated the teachers and will provide vaccines for the students following the instructions of the World Health Organization. Hasina informed the House that a good number of doses of Pfizer, Moderna and Sinopharm vaccines have already arrived in the country. 13 people died at the corona unit of Rajshahi Medical College and Hospital in the last 24 hours. 5 of them died of coronavirus and the rest 8 died of its symptoms. The 13 people died at different wards of the hospital from 8 a.m. on Friday to 8 a.m. on Saturday. Of them, 9 were male and 4 were female. The ages are between 35 and 65. The deceased 7 were from Rajshahi, 3 from Nator and 1 each from Chapai-Nawabganj, Chinoga and Pabna. In the last 24 hours, 61 patients were admitted to the hospital and 44 others were discharged. Five people were killed and 6 others injured in a hidden collision between an ambulance and a pickup van in Tangal today. The incident took place Dhaka-Tangal Highway near Bangabandhu Bridge area in Kalihati Upazila of the district around 7:30 am. Identities of the deceased could not be known immediately. According to police and the local people, a North Bengal-bound ambulance collided with a fish-laden truck in the area, leaving 3 people dead on the spot and 7 others injured. The injured people were sent to Tangal General Hospital, where 1 of them died. Bangladesh Meteorological Department predicted through a bulletin that light to moderate rain or thunder showers accompanied by temporary gusty wind in different parts of the country in the next 24 hours commencing at 9 a.m. today. It says light to moderate rain or thunder showers accompanied by temporary gusty wind is likely to occur at most places over Rangpur, Mymensingh, Borishal, Chattogram and Zilla divisions, and at many places over Dhaka, Rajshahi and Khulna divisions, with moderately heavy to heavy falls at isolated places over the country. That's all from our newsroom for now. Thanks for being with us. To join with Mytv News online, visit YouTube/Mytv News, and to watch all our programs, visit YouTube/Mytv Bangla, Facebook/Mytv Bangla, and Twitter/Mytv Bangla. Our next bulletin will be telecast in Bangla at 7:30 p.m. Don't forget to join with us. Till then, stay connected. Viewers, be careful to prevent coronavirus and follow the hygiene rules. Allah Hafiz.